to the left a little bit.
Brought my calls, that's good.
So this morning, we're on a feed, chopped corn. Just finished chopping it yesterday. The farmer said that they were pretty much pushing the birds around while he was chopping. They didn't really want to get out of this feed. We set up on the edge of this hay here, kind of running a bigger spread. It's a pretty strong north wind today. We could probably definitely pull in some birds that are migrating down on top of what we already have in this field. We still got a pretty strong wind, 15 miles an hour. Should be a good morning.
I don't care. I don't care. Shane's gonna get what I miss on one side. You're gonna get what I miss on the other side.
And I'm gonna get everything else.
Don't worry, I got your missus.
Good. The goal is to have a good time.
Maybe I'll get them before they even get to you.
Good. Please do.
That's
fine.
awesome.
I'm gonna shoot them as they're coming in over here. Geese! He's coming.
Bird band. I've never shot one that says that.
Look at that. Who the hell put it on? They can't have put it on like that. It just must have happened. About 9 o'clock here in our hunt. They keep flying every few minutes. We still got another flock. We've seen way more than we thought. We've probably seen close to 350 probably. We're all shooting pretty well today. It's going pretty smooth. Birds are decoying beautiful, as you guys will see. It's a pretty good day. You got a nice overcast. The wind hasn't changed too much. It's been going pretty smooth. We're gonna stick it out for another probably a few more hours and see what else we can do.
Here.
That last one.
Dude, the one was like,
Where's that fucking problem? I see your thing. No. Come here. Is that a goose? Flying on top.
Good. Go. We'll see things.
yes, I got two. Guys, get ready. Kill that bird. Went through the gauntlet.
Every
Damn it,
time
now
I
we gotta
shot,
stay
I
for
was like,
60.
I
Yeah, now
gotta
we gotta
be
stay for
behind him,
60.
so I just let him more and more every shot.
Wrapping up our hunt here, September 22nd now.
I believe so.
It's the 22nd. One hell of a shoot. Ended up with 60 flat, 2 bands. Not too bad. We had 6 shooters. Everybody came to play today. Birds decoyed well.
Birds have been in here the past couple of days. We've just been able to see them at night, and we thought we'd give it a shot in the morning. And good thing we did, because we made them hot.
Yeah, as you can see, that big weather change we were talking about this morning definitely pushed some new birds into the area. These guys said there was about, what was that, 150 the first day saw birds in here, and then
Yeah.
2 to 250 yesterday.
Kept climbing.
Yeah, today we saw many more than that, so they're definitely on the move.
Migration's on.
Yeah, that weather definitely helped us out today.